bleaching powder whose chemical formula is CaOCl2 and the chemical name is calcium oxychloride. So bleaching powder is also called as chloride of lime. Though bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2, but the actual formula is somewhat quite complex. So preparation is simply it is being prepared by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. We know that slaked lime is calcium hydroxide, but it has to be dry. It must not be in its aqueous phase. So at this particular temperature, when we will react CaOH whole 12 and which is solid in nature, it is very important. It has to be dry. So whenever we will pass chlorine, we will get CaOCl2 along with the evolution of water. So bleaching powder possesses many properties, which is first of all, it is a white solid, but commercial sample appears yellowish white with strong smell of chlorine. Bleaching powder liberates chlorine with dilute acid. So whenever we will react it with dilute acids, it will give us basically chlorine gas. Here is the example in which bleaching powder is being reacted with dilute H2SO4 and we are getting salt water along with the liberation of chlorine gas. So even atmospheric carbon dioxide, which also contains moisture, that is actually carbonic acid, liberates chlorine gas from bleaching powder. Here is the reaction which is bleaching powder on reacting with carbonic acid will give us calcium carbonate along with the water and the liberation of chlorine gas. So as bleaching powder get decomposed by moist air, hence it has to be stored dry and in cold conditions. So its uses is, first of all, it is used in the bleaching of wood pulp in paper industry, cotton and linen, wash clothes in laundry. And very important use, it is used as a disinfectant and sterilizing agent in water treatment plants. It is used in the manufacture of chloroform, also used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industry.